In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add filters in Glide. Filters are a simple but powerful way to let your users see only the items that matter to them, like showing approved orders, tasks due today, or entries that match a certain category. I'll walk you through the exact flow so you can set this up confidently. First, head to the Glide website and sign in. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. From here, choose the project you want to edit. Opening the right project is important because your filters will be created inside that specific app, not across your entire account. Inside the builder, navigate to the screen and component you want to filter. Filters work best on components that display collections of items, such as lists, tables, or cards. Click directly on the component in the preview canvas so it's highlighted. If you don't see the settings you expect, double-check that the correct component is selected. The options will always be tied to whatever you have active. With the component selected, look to the left sidebar and choose Options. This is the control panel for that component's behavior. Scroll until you find the filter area. If it looks collapsed, expand it so you can add your conditions. Now, create your filter conditions. Start by selecting the data field you want to filter by. This might be something like status, category, assigned to, or date. Then pick the condition, such as is not, contains, starts with, greater than, or less than. Finally, set the value you want to match. For example, you might show only items where status is approved, or only products where category contains accessories. You can stack multiple conditions to be more precise, and you'll typically see the results update right away in the preview. If your list suddenly looks empty, it usually means the condition doesn't match any current data, so adjust the value until it does. Keep your filters as simple and readable as possible so it's easy to maintain later. When you're happy with how your filtered list looks, go to the top right corner and click Publish. This step makes your changes live for your users. If you're iterating, you can publish again anytime. Your filters will update instantly for anyone using the app. That's all you need to add clear, reliable filters in Glide. Thanks for watching this step-by-step Glide tutorial. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and walkthroughs. See you in the next video.